Yeah, you're my fellow YouTube mate in your toy for a little battery powered car.
Welcome back, guys. Tonight it's CB shenanigans. It's the 42nd birthday of CB being legalised. I think that's right, isn't it?
Yeah, 42 years.
Got Charles here.
No,
so we're gonna rig up a little setup in the car. It is the worst night possible we could possibly choose to do this. But yeah, we got a little mobile setup to put in the car, and we're gonna get some calls out and see who's about. Better get the kettle on then.
Yeah, definitely.
He's got a 12-volt kettle in here. So yeah, we've come to a pretty high point up here. It's not a high point of our lives, but it's a high point of where we are, and it's absolutely hammering it down. Anyway, I need to get the radio out and get the antenna stuck on the roof. I've got a host of antennas in here. So got the mag mount base going on. He's precious about his car, so I've got a little cloth here. So what I've got here antenna wise is just a ham stick, 11 metres, and it's pretty big. It's pretty big. You wouldn't want to drive along with that on the top. Got some jump leads here. Just poke through from the back. This could go really wrong. Yeah, this could go really wrong. Look, it's like a metal telescopic whip and two jump leads that are just connected exactly to the battery, straight to the battery.
They are live, they are.
Yeah, I know. I need to be careful with this.
How's my alternator going to handle all this?
Yeah, it's not good, is it? We've got the radio rigged up as well. So this is the Icon 7100. I haven't used this one for ages. But yeah, so we're going to flick through and see what we can hear.
So you'll be able to hear yourself anyway. But yeah, nice to hear you, buddy. We've got a few on.
There we go.
You got Dan now. I don't know.
Right, I'm going to get this tuned in properly. That's Fred in the shed.
Chris down Hitchin.
Isn't it, I think?
Lovely.
Right, we're tuned. How cool is that?
I know.
Straight away.
Straight in. There's no tuning or anything.
Unbelievable. Right.
How's your SDR?
Yeah, we need to check the SWR.
Whereabouts are you? Are you Square Wheels? Whereabouts are you?
We are somewhere around Welling kind of area. Somewhere that I've got my mate with me as well. Is that Fred?
Yeah, it's Fred in the shed, yeah?
Hello, matey. How you doing?
Yeah, you're my fellow YouTube mate in your toy for a little battery powered car.
My little battery powered car, yeah. Yeah. How you doing, mate? I thought you might recognise my voice. I've just got to talk for a little bit and then you recognise me.
That's right. Yeah, well, I'm not using on FM. I'm using sideband, so everyone sounds a bit different. Yeah, I've clocked you now. Yeah, I'm alright actually. Yeah, I say I do enjoy your YouTube channel. I do like your videos, especially the electric bike videos. You're a naughty boy.
Well, you know, there's always some grey line to be kind of ridden up against, isn't there?
You're not wrong there. Yeah, no, it's nice to hear you on here. As I say, we haven't really got a chairperson at the moment. I'm just like passing people around. It doesn't look like Echo Dave's going to make it, and normally got Jake in Highgate, and unfortunately he's got antenna problems, so it's a bit of a free-for-all tonight. So it's a bit like the old days, Andy. Yeah,
well, loving it, mate, so far. The SWR's a little bit high on this one, but I think we're all right. I think we'll be okay. Yeah, we just sort of... we thought we'd just run out in the car because I've got, you know what I'm like, I've got lots of different portable antennas and stuff, and I was going to string my home base one back up, and then I just thought, oh no, actually my mate Charles is here as well, so he was like, oh, can you lend me a rig and we'll get on. I said, let's just let's just do it, just go out in the car and we'll just both do it together then, and then it's a bit more yeah, it's a bit easier then.
Yeah, break. For S7 entry, your Radio 5. Are you using a CB radio? Are you on the dark side?
I'm on the very dark side.
Oh, you might be, yeah. Well, it's working. I say it's great audio. I mean, you're not that far away from me, but you're a signal 7, so whatever you're doing is working well.
Yeah, mate, it's good. It's good to hear you, mate. Actually, because I haven't spoken to you for ages. I mean, you know, it's been good on here. It has been good on the sidebands, but I haven't heard a lot. I haven't heard you. I haven't heard any of the locals lately, super lately. But yeah, no, it's nice to hear you, mate. Anyway, as I say, you're plus 20, mate. Absolutely banging in. So yeah, no worries there, mate.
Oh, cheers for that. I'm not running a great deal of power. I'm running probably about 50 watts. I've got a little CRT1 going with a little a very old burner there. Naughty, but yeah, I'm not banging a lot out, so that's good to hear. Yeah, It's nice to hear you there. As I say, we've got a few on there. I'll just see if Richard's on. Yeah, Richard, you taking Andy there? Where there's a lot of people.
Most definitely am. Good evening, Andy. Your engine's up to me, and it's Richard in Hatfield.
Evening, Richard. I tell you what, nice echo.
Yeah, what a funny.
I do try. Go a bit vintage for this night, mate.
It's great. I tell you what, though, as well, I'm getting. Are you getting the stations underneath? There, you guys.
No.
Yeah, I can definitely hear some others, other stations on here. But yeah, no, nice to hear you, mate. It's nice to hear everybody like actually on FM, like fully quiet then, because from home it's not like that at all. Look at this coffee situation going on. Oh, we're having the time of our life tonight. Well, I am.
The top of you there, you've got Fred in the shed here, 1664 London Coney. Do you want to go again? Yeah, I'm running the shed coffee. It's Blackadder, Sussex Mobile. Blackadder in Potter's Bar. Good evening, sir.
I thought you said.
Yeah, Roger, coffee, Fred. What am I throwing over there? 12345. You're really good. You're on signal 7, you're radio 5. We've got a few stations in the background, and they're causing us a little bit of an issue there. But yeah, you're coming across really good. Good audio, radio 5.
Roger, I've got an old Newgate 100, just 4 watts rod, so yeah, keeping it fully legal for the anniversary.
Yeah, Roger, well, you're doing it for 4 watts from Potter's Bar. You're doing well. I know that's about 6.5 miles. I go there every day to work, unfortunately. But yeah, what was the personal, Blackadder?
Yeah, personal is Max.
Sorry, is that Matt, yeah?
Max, Mike Alpha X-ray.
Max, got you. Mike Alpha X-ray. Yeah, we've got you on there, Matt. Matt, why are you there? Because you're on QRP 4 watts. I'll just see if you can make it a little further out to Hatfield there. Yeah, down in Hatfield. Are you taking Max there, the Blackadder in Pot as well?
Yeah, good evening, Max. Blackadder, you copy down in Hatfield. Oh, I done, yeah. I think I copied you before a few weeks ago. I think I was over at London Honda using my old NATO 2000. Yeah, that's quite possible. Was that on the 3? It must have been the 305, was it? Yeah, it might have been. What part are you running? Because we're not coming over as strong.
Vodka in there.
Let me Irish up your coffee, sir.
Yeah, on your power, a QRP station there, Max. Yeah, Roger, about signal 5. Yeah, not too far.
So you ain't got a spoon?
No, well, you forgot your coffee cups. I've donated mine to you, but to stir this now, I think we're going to have to do the old mix up a cocktail.
So now I've got frothy coffee as well. Well done, mate.
Living the life of luxury, aren't we?
This is good on here, though. All right, John. You got Andy over here, matey.
Hello, Andy. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. I'm all good. Can you hear me all right over there?
Yeah, I sent you a message on WhatsApp. You must read your WhatsApp more often, mate. Bloody hell. Yeah, no, 5 and 9 over here, mate. No problem. I don't know if you can hear the other station I was talking to. His name's Mark. He's in Bedford.
He's in bed?
No, Bedford, yeah, Bedford.
Yeah, no, I can hear him. I can hear him absolutely fine. Sorry, Charles is in the background scoffing donuts. Yeah, yeah, I can hear him. Yeah, Mark, copy.
Yeah, Mark, you hearing Andy? He's saying I know he's
Okay, he said he knows I'm there, but can't hear me. I'm mobile. We're square wheeled at the minute, so that'll be yeah, that'll probably be the reason. Yeah, no worries, John. I'll put it back to you, mate.
Yeah, no worries. Well, you're 5 and 9 over here, mate.
He's in Luton.
No problem at all. Crystal clear.
Yeah, really good, mate. You're plus 10 over, mate. No worries at all. Just like you were the other day, mate, at home. But yeah, all good, all good.
Hey, Roger. Well, I'm still at home. I'm still at home, just on the other radio.
Yeah, Rog, it sounds really good. Sounds really nice.
This is the 7300.
Yeah, that's right. You said you were running that. Yeah, I would check my WhatsApp, but I'm filming with my phone, so I can't see it.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's good enough reason, mate. Good enough reason.
You know the score, Fred, don't you? You know what it's like.
Well, yeah, that's it, mate. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I know exactly what it's like. I just remember the switch I have a camera on. I've been sitting here for an hour and I'm only running one camera.
Can hear you, no problem.
Oh, wonder. Yeah, no, I know he's there, but in the... Sorry, I doubled with John. £5 a stack.
All right.
Andy, what sort of signal is Mark giving you over there?
Yeah, Mark, go again. Oh, he can't hear me, can he?
Yeah, Mark, give Andy some numbers.
Shall I take my socks off? Because I'm not quite sure.
He's an 8. He's like an 8. You know, no problem at all. He's S8. Put it off Radio 4, mate. No problem.
Yeah, Mark, your Signal 8 Radio 4 over to Andy, and he's static mobile. I don't know where you are there, Andy.
We're by Ayot Green, over near sort of Welling way.
Alright, there you go, Mark. You're 8 and 4 over towards Welling, yeah? And Andy's static mobile.
Well, that's doing alright then, isn't it? So, yeah, what frequency are you on? 27861 decimal point 20 or 25?
It won't really make a lot of difference. 2025. It's all the same on. It ain't going to make no difference at all, really.
Oh, nice and warm, I tell you.
Tune him up a bit better, that's all.
That's right.
I feel like we're a couple of police officers in here now, dunking the donuts. Let's start it. Yeah, so we got Chris here as well. He's just come up on his TX, Thunderbolt TX. Sounding good, Chris.
Yeah, I'm actually not on the full telescopic. I'm on that medium aerial, but I'm actually standing indoors, and I think I'm about 3/4 of a mile line of sight. Well, it as a flow cry, as the crow flies to you, yeah?
That's brilliant, isn't it? That's absolutely working well. See, this is what it was like in the old days. You know, you could, because there's so many people about, you just put out a handheld and you just get, you know, a copy straight away.
There's a lot more people about back in the day, weren't there? But, yeah, well, I'm glad he's working indoors anyway, considering there's a lot of... structures and that in between us.
Yeah, definitely. I can hear stations underneath here. It's probably a bit bad to be on here, but yeah, I can hear some underneath.
Yeah, Andy.
Yeah, go on.
Right, mate.
Yeah, whoever you're talking to, I can just about hear them over here.
Chris, did you hear that?
I think that.
So, John in Luton said he can just about hear you.
Bloody hell. Oh, well, I've got the other radio in the background. I'll turn it down. Good evening, Johnny.
John, did you get that?
No, I know he's there. I know there's a signal there, but I can't hear what he's saying because I'm fighting with noise at the minute. I've just got this horrendous tone right across the band, and it's playing funny, brother. He's been here for about a week, but he is just about making it over here to me. I do know that there's a signal there.
That's good, isn't it? Chris, can you hear anything of John?
Nothing at all, I'm afraid.
No, he can't hear you, but he's inside. He's inside at the minute, so yeah, for the handheld. Obviously, if he just goes back on the other radio, then it'll be fine. But all these tests are good, though, aren't they?
QSK, QSZ.
We just ended up having about a 15-minute QSO, just me and Fred.
Andy, give a shout out in Hatfield.
Everyone's gone.
Sorry, Dan in Hatfield.
Yeah, I'm watching Andy Kirby's Red Bake doing a health test and the battery died halfway up the hill.
Good old CB radio, just the guys having a little bit of a chat on there. So I'm going to say 73. Thanks for everyone that came on, and I'm bailing out. So 16 at 64, going clear. Stay safe, stay dry, gentlemen.
Okay, Fred, 73s. You've done a good job there. Carry on.
Yeah, 73s, mate. Nice to hear you. Nice to have a catch up as well. It's always good, isn't it? Especially when it's on the radio. Can't be beaten, mate. But yeah, stay dry. I'm already safe. My feet are safe. So yeah. Anyway, catch you later, mate.
Catch you later, guys. Thanks for coming on. Catch you later, Fred.
Alright, what's the location? What is your location?
Yeah, Roger, I just got that. Location is Brill Windmill, Buckinghamshire, border of Oxfordshire, Roger.
Whoa, that is sodden.
Yeah.
Well, that was a success, wasn't it? What are we doing?
Absolutely. Right, it's exactly like summer, just in November, isn't it?
In winter, it's like overkill, that, isn't it?
Yeah. 400 amps.